As you begin to move into the next grading cycle, it is important to revisit your folder structure. Remember, folder structures should be organized in a way that is easy for all students to navigate. Should a student be moved from one class to another, having a consistent and streamlined system in place will make the transition easier. Let's begin by renaming your past assignments folder. Click on the gear to the right of the folder and select Edit. Change the title from Past Assignments to First Grading Cycle and select Save Changes. Now, all of your weekly folders from the first grading cycle are organized in the first grading cycle folder. Now let's create a new past assignments folder. Click on Add Materials and select Add Folder. Name your new folder Past Assignments and select Create. Now we're going to need to move your first grading cycle folder into your new past assignments folder. Remember, you have two options for moving your folder. You can either click and drag the first grading cycle folder into your past assignments folder, or you can click on the gear to the right of the first grading cycle folder, select Move, using the destination folder, find your past assignments folder, select Move. In my past assignments folder, I now have a place for all of the week of folders for the first grading cycle, and I'll be able to move all of my second grading cycle folders at the end of each week to the past assignments folder. Your past assignments will now be organized, and you and your students will be ready for the second grading cycle. At the end of each grading cycle, you will want to repeat this process.